Okay, so once I have kind of an outline drawn, I can go back in and tweak my drawing, which is really the power of doing vector drawing. I mean, one of the powerful things about it. So if I double click on the line, I'll see the individual points that I created, and I can actually click on them and I can drag them. And the other thing is if I click on, actually, let's see. So I can click and drag and kind of move them around and get them kind of to more clearly follow the shape that I was trying to make. Um, so the thing with vector drawing is you have to trace everything you want to fill with a separate color or to have as a kind of additional detail. You have to draw it separately. So right now I have just kind of the outline of the gorilla, but if I want like the eyes, the eyebrow, the nose, the tongue, the mouth, whatever, I have to draw that as a separate shape. So I just go back and grab my curve tool, and I can also zoom in. That can help if you're having trouble seeing. Oops. Um, if you guys start drawing with your curve tool and you end up drawing by mistake, you can hit escape. I like to do that. All right, so there is my tongue. I can go ahead and pick a color for that. I'm going to turn off the outline. The outline is the one next to the paint bucket. Make that transparent so I can see it. So again, everything I want to color separately to have detail. I want to just show you what this looks like when I have it filled with color so that you can understand why you have to draw everything separately. I'm going to go ahead and fill this. So this is what I would have. Let me just fit this back on my screen. So this is what I've drawn so far. Um, you can see it's just the outline of the gorilla and the tongue. So there's no facial features, there's no eyes or nose or anything. So that's why we have to draw them as separate shapes so we can fill them with a separate color.